mga marami kayong applicant na nakukuha. So what kind of role of nursing are you looking for? Like say ICU nurse ba siya, staff nurse, elderly care ba? O anong klase ba? Ano bang ano niyo hinahanap niyo so far? Mga pupunta diyan sa May 5 to May 9 on face to face as you said. Do they need to bring any documents to support them or
No,
ano
no,
bang ano?
actually, even though
Mm.
na by number, by sheer number, guys, we have recruited around 600, five
Mm.
hundred for last year alone.
Mm.
Okay, that includes the Indian side. Okay, don't forget the Indian side, guys.
Hi guys, musta Buhay Ireland? Jerome here, back in another Buhay Ireland, and um, today is it's very special na naman sa atin kasi it's about work. Okay, marami sa atin, especially nurses, ang nangangarap na punta ng Ireland and there's a no opportunity more likely. Ang hirap, di nila alam kung saan pupunta, anong gagawin, anong ah, mga nagtatanong talaga if there any job na nurse kami dito sa ibang bansa or sa Pinas and they are struggling with all of these questions which is I would love to help them and Buhay Ireland is here to support all of our kababayan from different world, especially in the Philippines din as well. But as I said last time, we always post any job na medyo may kumbaga may offer na legit. So nakikita niyo sa Facebook natin 'yon. But if you can if you are following our Facebook, we have this post before which is the nurse, okay? That there will be a what do you call it? A job offer or a job vacancy na mangyayari sa Pilipinas. This is coming May 5 to May 9 and kaya ako nag-podcast kasama ang ating guest, pakikilala ko sa inyo mamaya konti, is para din sa mga kapwa natin na gusto talaga mag-apply and they have no idea where to go and this company, this agency and these people behind it, ito kausap natin and then I will proudly say na magkakaroon kayo ng ideas. Lahat ng katanungan nyo before May 5 to May 9, maybe masasagot natin. A bit of it. Pero pagdating sa May 5, kayo na bahala kasi you will be there to present yourself. So, at least we'll give you a guidance para sa mga ano natin, gusto mag-apply. Pero anyways, huwag na natin pahabain. Papasukin na natin ang ating guest. Okay, isa siya sa mga ano rito, people behind ng ating job na meron ang nurses ngayon. So, papasukin na natin ating munting kaibigan na si Brian Surla. Pasok, Brian Surla! Kumusta, Bri?
Kumusta po mga viewers? Thank you sa pagpapaunlak sa time mo at sa time ninyong
Mm.
lahat na nanonood.
Ayun, medyo ano si Brian, medyo ganito lang siya tahimik pero busy yan. Busy yan actually, hindi mo siya makakausap 24/7 kasi they are trying to sort everything out, especially yung nga nasabi ko Brian about job. Nurse more likely. So ito yung
Yes, sir.
opportunity ng mga kababayan natin na matanong or magkaroon ng idea kung ano ba tong meron sa May 5 to May 9. So, siguro tatanong ko na sa iyo, Brian, una sa lahat, can you tell us about this career solution uh, agency or ano ba ang mission nila?
So yeah, I am a consultant for Vista Career Solutions.
Mm.
We have been helping Indians and Filipino nurses
Mm.
to come here in Ireland
Mm.
for more than a
Mm.
decade now.
Mm.
Originally, Vista Career Solutions started in India, okay, from Kerala.
Mm. Mm.
As all of you have might know, about 98% ng mga Indian nurses here in Ireland
Mm.
are from Kerala.
Mm.
Sa nearly 12 years ko dito as a nurse, I've only known one na galing from New Delhi. Pero she was originally from Kerala as well. So, Vista Career Solutions is based in Dublin to 15, where I live at the moment. But the head office is in Kerala. Kasi nandun yung compliance team, nandun yung ibang mga team. The owner is based here, as well as yung
Mm.
mga consultants, which is me, based here. No, and then 2015, when they nagkakilala kami ng owner, and then they asked me, oh, can you help us in penetrating the Philippine market? kasi nga there
Mm.
is a gap, kumbaga.
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
As you all know, napaka in demand ng Filipino nurses, no, only because number one, we provide TLC nga, kumbaga eh. Gasgas na yung TLC, pero that is true. Yung mga Filipino
Mm.
nurses and Filipino healthcare workers, may TLC talaga. Kumbaga, tinatrato natin parang sarili nating magulang,
Mm.
lolo-lola natin yung mga pasyente natin. Kaya talagang
Mm.
yung mga employer, uh, ni-request talaga nila tayo. So Vista Career
Mm.
Solutions caters to about 20 to 30% of their business towards the Philippine candidates, no. Kaya
Hmm.
kung babalik tayo, the employers has requested to interview 100 nurses in the
Wow.
Philippines face to face, okay? Face to face
Mm.
from May 5 to May 9
Mm.
of this year. So at the moment,
Mm.
we have already received around 147
Wow.
CVs with decision letters and
Mm.
English exams, the whole shebang.
Mm.
The,
Mm.
yung nakukuha natin, no? So it's a good
Mm.
number of candidates. However, may mga katulad nga ng sinabi mo, the mission of Pinoy Ireland, guys, no, Jerome,
Mm.
is
Mm.
to help yung mga viewers niya to be educated on how to make it,
Mm.
to how to be successful faster, no. So that's
Mm.
why both of us, we decided na, look, let's sit down and, teach the
Yeah.
people on how to be successful. So yun yung role ko
Mm.
dito, no. So 147
Mm.
nurses, unfortunately not all of them are qualified. So at the
Yes.
moment, we are at around 94
Mm.
uh, successful candidates na isasalang namin. So we're only
Mm.
missing six. That
Mm.
is our current count at the moment. So we're nearly there. We only have 1 week of pooling preparation to do, and then after
Mm.
that, we already started the scheduling process. Some of our
Mm.
nurses have already been scheduled with specific times and dates, between May to 5 to 9. And
Mm.
then I will be conducting a parang Zoom
Mm.
pre-interview orientation just to
Mm.
let them know
Mm.
ano ba yung usually yung mga tinatanong, how to
Yes.
overcome anxiety, interview
Yes.
techniques and procedures and stuff like that. And
Mm.
all of that, bro, is for free. I do not pay
Ayun,
any
yun kaganda.
consultation fee. Okay?
Mm.
I do not I
Bonus
do
yan.
not ask any recruitment fees, nor
Mm.
does Vista Career Solution ask for any recruitment fees. And just to state facts, no, our employer number, our agency number is EA3622, and you can find
Mm.
Vista Career Solutions in cro.ie. Okay.
Mm.
Nasa WRC, Workplace Relations Commission, list din tayo for Dublin.
Mm.
Okay, so
Oh.
just for
Mm.
everyone's understanding, and we also use a DMV approved agency in the Philippines. Okay.
Mm.
Just to follow yung Philippine protocols din. Kasi we're following
Mm.
two laws eh. The laws of Ireland
Yes.
and the laws of the Philippines. So,
Mm.
I'm not gonna state kung sino na yung agency na kapartner namin,
Mm.
pero for those na mag apply through Manila at pcsnursing.com, you will be emailed by our partner agencies sa Philippines for
Wow.
details.
Ayos 'no, 'no. Actually lahat ng information more likely binigay na nga ni ano, eh, ni Brian kasi he really needs to he really wants, kumbaga tulungan yung lahat ng kababayan as much as possible. But as he said, oh, it's only 100 ang kailangan. Pero who
Mm.
knows, anything can change,
Yes.
but at least an idea. And then ang kagandahan nito guys, hindi ko na-expect yun na meron palang ayun nga, as Brian as a nurse consultant dito sa Vista, he's doing it for free, like for all hundreds for free. Where can you see all of this kind of people
Mm.
na gagawin nyo para matulungan yung mga kababayan natin na to gain more experience, to gain more confidence more likely, and to, yung trust, building the trust with the community, yun yung pinaka-importante na ginagawa nila, Brian. So I'm really happy right now actually na makatulong tayo sa mga kababayan natin. Isang question ko lang din, Brian. I know it's a lot of things that you said there, but ano yung pagkakaiba? Kasi marami rin namang nursing agency sa ibang companies or recruitment agency. What
Mm.
is difference with your Vista with the others?
Okay, so there are two types of employers here in Ireland. One is the
Mm.
public sector,
Mm.
and one is the private sector.
Mm.
So sa public sector, guys, sa sa lahat ng para malaman ng lahat, no, there are only a handful of agencies that can recruit for the public sector. Now,
Mm.
when I say public sector, it pertains to yung acute hospitals, which is yung
Mm.
government-owned, tsaka yung mga
Mm.
community hospitals and nursing homes, which are government-owned as well. So may mga,
Mm.
I don't want to mention the agencies, pero there are a lot of,
Mm.
I think I can only count dun sa one hand ko yung number of agencies na may contracts with them. Okay?
Mm.
So the difference between Vista Career Solutions and those major agencies na that handles yung government contracts is they go through a bidding process kasi with the government eh. So their
Mm.
executives go through a bidding process and everything, and then once they've secured the bidding, the government can only recruit through them. Okay. Now,
Mm.
we have tried to do that last year, but unfortunately, we were around seventh or sixth dun sa tender, and they only chose about
Mm.
four or five. Okay,
Oh.
so even though
Mm.
na by number, by sheer number, guys, we have recruited around 600, five
Mm.
hundred for last year alone.
Mm.
Okay, that includes the Indian side. Okay, don't forget the Indian side, guys.
Mm.
It makes up 80% of Vista Career Solutions business. Eh.
Yeah.
So yun yung difference. No, we handle
Mm.
the private side, and I'm proud to say na Vista Career Solutions is by far we have the biggest clientele when it comes to the private healthcare industry. No,
Mm.
we
Mm.
handle the first, second, and third largest private healthcare institutions in the whole of
Mm.
Ireland. We're not talking about
Mm.
one
Wow.
branch here, but we're talking
Mm.
about like 50 branches. You know,
Wow. That's a lot. Yeah.
27 nursing homes. It's a nursing home
Mm.
group. You know,
Mm. Mm.
we rarely handle yung nag-iisa. Like for example, there are agencies there. Maraming agencies dyan. Yes, totoo yan, Jerome. No.
Mm. Mm.
And I want to say they're doing a great job as well. Pero
Okay. Yeah.
when you talk about Vista Career Solutions, you talk about share number. That's
Mm.
why kung iisipin ng mga tao, bakit kaya hindi siya nagcha-charge? May something fishy. No, there's no something
Yes.
fishy. You know,
Yeah.
we work with numbers eh. Um,
Mm.
they only give me an allowance to be able for me to pay my virtual assistant din sa Philippines, you know, para yung
Mm.
day-to-day
Mm.
administration ng group.
Mm.
Pero all of those are it is part of my role eh, and
Mm.
vocation ko na rin. So, yun, that's what separates us
Mm.
from the public and the private. I think we are
Mm.
the biggest sa private
Mm.
sector.
Wow, that's a good
Mm,
to hear kasi it's ano, eh, para maging ano lang, aware lang yung mga tao at parang
mm,
why we should go to Vista Career. Ano bang alam mo yun, just because they don't know anything about you guys, all they know is
mm,
your name, blah blah blah.
mm,
But at least you give them some tips and what's behind kung ano yung visa talaga, no. So guys, alam niyo na kung ano yon, private sector nila, more likely sila yung ano first, second and third. I'm proud of you guys na ito,
mm.
hindi ko alam 'to, matagal na rin ako sa healthcare sector and I have no idea. All I know is just go to work and that's it. But now hearing it from you guys and Filipino and Indian is more likely ano sila.
Yeah, I'm
The,
proud to break the barriers between both major nationalities as well. You know,
mm.
in the old days, parang lagi tayong we always compete with them,
Oh yeah, true.
'di ba?
Mm.
We always have something to say about them. Pero in reality, guys, no, they're the same with us. You know, they're Christians.
Mm.
The
Yeah.
Carelites are Catholics.
Mm.
Um, most about 90% of the Keralite population, which is in Kerala, they're
Mm.
Catholic Christians.
Mm.
They're the same with us. So I'm proud to break the barriers between our two nationalities, and you know I
Mm.
deeply respect our Indian counterparts as well.
Of
You know,
course, yeah.
they're very industrious, and um, you know they tend to like to improve themselves. You know, with
Mm.
studies, academics, and everything. You know,
Mm. Yeah,
so
that's good.
yung respeto ko para sa kanila is mataas.
Mataas talaga. That's good to know, good to know. Ewan ko kung nasabi ba natin kanina 'to yung, saan ba 'to gaganapin yung, Vista Career Solutions in the Philippines? I know it's May 5 to May 9. Are
Yeah.
they going to one specific place or there's
Yes.
a lot of location?
The location would be emailed to them. The
Okay.
specific location would be I cannot
Mm.
inform you guys kung
Mm.
saan kasi yun yung place. ng agency, ng partner agency
Yes.
namin. So for those successful applicants,
Mm.
na masi-screen namin, so we go through two
Mm.
screening processes, bro.
Mm, mm.
I do the pre-screening, the first
Mm.
pre-screening, and then
Okey.
Alina, our operations director,
Mm.
goes through the second screening before pa namin
Mm.
sinasubmit yun sa employer. And then ultimately, the
Yes.
employer will say, "Oh, this CV is actually good.
Mm.
We can include them on the interview."
Mm. Mm.
Only tsaka pa lang yun aandar, kumbaga. Yung partner agency namin sa Philippines will email them and then
Mm.
will tell them the exact location kung saan.
Mm.
Usually sa office lang din nila eh. They have a big
Okey,
office
okey.
eh. And
Mm.
um, the agency that we use in the Philippines is well known as well.
Mm.
Pero yun nga lang, just for privacy, no, and ano,
Yes.
I don't wanna mention it here for now.
Yes, of course. Yeah, we understand that. But that's good. Next question ko ano, as an ano, may mga marami kayong applicant na nakukuha. So what kind of role of nursing are you looking for? Like say ICU nurse ba siya, staff nurse, elderly care ba? O anong klase ba? Ano bang ano niyo hinahanap niyo so far?
That's a good question, Jerome. No, kasi not a lot of
Mm.
people uh, ask that question. Eh. They just apply and
Mm. Yes.
throw whatever. Minsan nga nakakatawa,
Mm.
Jerome. No, they without even thinking, they just email their CVs without even
Mm.
changing yung tag nito yung kumbaga yung cover letter. So sometimes
Yes.
iba
Iba.
yung agency.
Oo,
Tapos
parang copy and paste nagmamadali lang. Oo.
yeah, it's like a send to all approach, which is good, all in good. You know,
Mm.
you're
Mm.
maximizing your time, yes, but it
Yes.
shows your professionalism as well. So
Yes,
I'd
of
like to
course.
point out to the
Mm.
candidates that we do
Mm.
value yung respect and professionalism. No, so sometimes
Mm.
when we see that, it's a red mark to
Mm.
you. Eh. Alam mo yun, as a
Yes.
candidate, it means you're not doing your due diligence.
Mm.
Um, and sampal yun kasi syempre it's a very
Yeah.
competitive field.
Mm.
So please, for those na manonood ng, and I know
Mm.
there's thousands because we're gonna
Yeah.
post this on our two pages.
Yes.
So there's gonna be thousands of viewers. Kung nanonood po kayo, please do change the title
Yeah,
of your cover letter.
tama. Please lang. Oo, hindi, as a professional, 'di ba? You
Yeah,
have to
yeah,
I know everybody's like rushing because narinig nila 'to. Pero
yeah,
guys, pag-isipan niyo muna mabuti kung tama ba kasi a lot of people are there's a lot of mistake going on kapag
yeah,
ganyan na masyado kayong like you can take your time
yeah.
and change the proper change the cover letter and everything kasi hindi nagtutugma, ang pangit naman tignan.
Hindi
Tama 'yun,
nagtutugma,
'di ba?
tama.
Do'n
So,
pa lang, do'n pa lang, 'di ba?
doon pala parang, kasi may mga criterias kami na tinitik eh. Like for
Oo.
example, pasado ba to sa initial screening namin? Ano, okay ba to?
Mm.
Parang ganyan. So, going back on your original question,
Mm. Mm.
what type of nursing? So, at the
Mm.
moment, since I've mentioned to you that we handle the private sector, the private sector
Mm.
comprises mostly about 80-85%
Mm.
yung care for the elderly or geriatric
Mm.
care, which is
Mm.
we don't have in the Philippines kasi 'di ba yung
Mm.
culture natin, we take care of our own.
Mm.
Okay? So,
Mm.
ang nangyayari is what we're
Mm.
hunting for is those nurses with medical surgical ward experience. Okay?
Mm.
Ngayon,
Mm.
na minsan na ipaglalaban ko na like for
Mm.
example, marami kami candidates na with purely ICU experience. And as a
Mm.
nurse myself, sa
Mm.
ano ba, pang kaalaman ng lahat, I am also a nurse,
Mm.
no? Practicing still full time.
Mm.
I have deep respects for ICU nurses and emergency department nurses because multi-skill yun eh.
Yes.
Highly skilled positions. However, um, the position the workplace is asking for a specific type of experience which
Yeah.
needs to prove that you can handle a caseload of patients. When you say caseload of patients, like for example, during the day, are you able to handle 15 to 20 patients? At
Mm.
night, 'di ba? Sometimes 35, 40.
Mm. Mm.
Doon sa mga malayong lugar sa south, they even handle
Mm.
like uh, 47, 48, especially pag short sila, 'di ba, at night time.
Yes. Tama.
So if your experience is an ICU one-to-one, kaya
Yeah.
minsan inaayawan nila eh. Kahit no
Yes.
disrespect with ICU trained nurses,
Yes.
my God, guys, you are highly skilled. My hats
Mm.
off to you. Pero the employer requires a different type of nurse eh, which can handle a
Mm.
multitude of of patients. So that's why mostly yung mga kinukuha namin is with ward experience kasi at least
Mm.
they're able to handle a caseload of patients at one time.
Mas marami talaga. Oh, hindi,
Yes.
may alam naman ng lahat diyan, there's a two different, yun nga, sabi mo ICU, which is one-to-one, and
Mm.
staff nurse, which is the ward, which
Oo.
is they can, flexible sila, kaya nila i-handle yung pressure
Yeah.
more likely,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Yeah.
So I understand ICU, or kung sino man sila, we really appreciate your work, but sometimes like this kind of job, they are looking for a specific
Yes. Oo.
person, 'di ba? Pag
Dun,
gano'n.
dun,
How about yung mga newly graduate? I know I asked you this question before. How
yeah.
about yung mga newly graduate na wishing or hoping na makapagtrabaho? Are they okay? Are you welcoming them,
That's a good
or what's the
question then,
story?
Jerome. No, just wanna clarify things to the public, no, especially yung manonood.
Mm.
The National Advisory Board of Ireland allows for immediate registration kahit na newly
Mm.
graduate ka lang.
Mm.
It doesn't ask kung
Mm.
meron kang previous experience. Binago na nila
Mm.
yan due to the nursing
Oo.
shortage before kasi
Mm.
minimum of at least, if correct me if I'm wrong, a year, 12 months
Mm.
experience. Tapos
Mm.
dapat may gap, dapat no, wala kang gap na more than five
Mm.
years or else you need
Mm.
to do like a return to practice
Mm.
seminar or course or something.
Mm.
But now they've scrapped it all. So newly
Mm.
graduates can immediately apply for registration. The only thing is,
Mm.
yes, you would be given Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland decision letter, which
Mm.
allows you to find an employer.
Mm.
Pero it's a very competitive field, Jerome. You know,
Mm. Mm.
the
Mm.
employers have the right to pick and choose who they want to work for
Yes.
them. Okay, so
Mm.
I wouldn't advise it just because na you'd be placing yourself in a very low priority. Okay,
Mm.
and with that you're gonna lose a lot of your self confidence. Syempre
Mm.
hindi ka natatanggap eh, 'di ba? You'll feel
Mm.
very
Tama.
very down na, oh, bakit di ako
Yes.
natatanggap? It's not you. Yes, I know na kaka-graduate mo lang, fresh ka pa. It's just because na may mga criteria na pinipili yung mga employers.
Mm. Okay, so we have to set a rules kumbaga,
Mm.
sa mga katulad nito. How about yung basic, requirements about sa mga applicant, like, are you looking for yung mga IELTS, ano ba experience, PRC license, yung mga different
Yes,
licenses or
yes.
ano ba?
I'll tell you in our secret no kung bakit napaka-effective
Mm.
nung team
Mm.
namin, especially yung Manila side, no. We
Mm.
handle yung
Oo.
Manila arm of Vista Career Solutions. That's why yung
Mm.
email namin is manila at
Mm.
vcsnursing.com, no. We
Mm.
categorize our candidates according to the ANE categorization
Mm.
system dito. Kasi yung wife ko from ANE. So
Okay.
I got that system of triage
Mm.
from her. Obviously
Mm.
galing do sa Manchester triage system nila.
Mm.
Um so we our team, me and Christopher and Anu, we categorize our candidates according to three categories. No, category A, which is candidates with NMBI decision letters
Mm.
processing and English exams, either IELTS or
Mm.
OET. Category B,
Mm.
which has either of the two, okay? Either wala pa siyang English exam pero may NMBI decision letter na siya,
Mm.
or nagpa-process ng NMBA decision letter, or may
Yes.
English exam na siya pero hindi pa siya nakakapag-process ng NMBA decision letter.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
category 1 meaning ready to go na yan. Okay?
Mm.
Mabilis lang yan. Like for example,
Mm.
from recruitment interview until deployment, probably 3 months would be the fastest in my experience. Whereas category
Mm.
2, sometimes it can last about 4, 5, 6 months. Depende kung bumagsak
Mm.
sila sa English exam. And then
Okay.
category 3, yung talagang wala pa.
Yes.
Hihilutin mo pa talaga. So,
Yes, talaga. Mm.
category 3 means wala pa talaga silang English exam, wala pa
Mm.
talaga silang decision letter and everything.
Mm.
So, what we usually take is category 1 and 2. So, kunyari, may English exam ka na, feel free to just send in your CV. Kung may NMBA
Yes.
decision letter ka na, you're trying to find the motivation to take the English exam, then by all means,
Mm.
pass it to us because you
Yeah.
never know. Di lang naman yung may 5 to 9 yung ano eh,
Mm.
yung interviews namin eh. There are
Okay.
scattered interviews ng mga mas maliliit pa na employers
Mm.
throughout
So
the year.
yeah, there you go guys. So yeah, so that's a good input pala yan yung mga ganyan. And how about yung bro, ah I don't know, I think you said it already, in sa una natin, pero yung fees kasi number one ano yan, eh, number one, in mind ng mga tao lalo na nag-a-apply. Is there
Yes.
any fees, involved on this, application or anything na ano ba, yun nga, placement fee, sabi mo na kanina walang
Yeah.
ganyan, para sa'yo wala. Pero how about the agency, how they work?
Yes, that's a great question, and I thank you as well for clarifying that. No,
Mm,
so under Philippine law, we are not by any means allowed to take any fees
mm,
whatsoever. Be it
mm.
placement fee, some of the agencies in the Philippines, mind you, they
Yes.
what they do in order for them to circumvent that law is to
Mm,
rebrand the agency fee into a administrative fee or management fee whatsoever. So
mm,
we don't we don't have any fees except
mm,
for yung miscellaneous fees na tinatawag nila, but that is for your own. Like for example,
mm.
you need to pay for your own medical, okay?
Yes, that's true. Okay.
Um, yung mga vaccination certificates mo
Mm.
which will cost money to
Yes.
get, you will have to get that
Yeah.
on your own money because that is in your
Yes.
name eh, 'di ba?
Yes. Tama.
Number three, ano pa? If minsan kailangan mo ng dental, 'di ba? Kailangan mo
Mm,
magpabunot. That is
mm,
as well sa'yo or else
mm,
hindi ka ipapasa, 'di ba?
mm.
Ano pa ba? Mga drug test, etc.,
Yes.
etc. And then airfares, there is a
Yeah.
reimbursable there is
Okay.
reimbursements there as well na kasama sa
Mm.
contracts. So I would suggest
Okay.
people, no, guys, please read your contracts because it is
Mm.
a legal
Yes.
contract eh. So if it states there na may reimbursements kayo for flight and accommodation, then you are within your right to reimburse
Mm.
that when you come here, okay?
Yes.
And then last but not the least, Bro Jerome, and
Mm.
pinaka-importante, no? A lot of nurses think na they are entitled for the RCSI fee na
Mm.
2,800 euros.
Mm.
Okay? It is it is not a right, okay? Kasi
Mm.
by law, both Philippines and Ireland, the employer doesn't need to pay for your exams because that is your exams.
Mm. Okay.
Kasi the rules of the land here in Ireland states na in less than a year you can even transfer employers eh, 'di ba?
Mm.
Lalo na pag may
Mm.
transfer of undertaking ka. Like for example, ikaw, i-hire ka namin. 9
Mm.
10 months, nagstay ka sa amin and then ICU train ka, may mag-open, St. James Hospital, ICU.
Mm.
And then
Mm.
binigyan ka ng kontrata and then they tell you, okay, you can transfer here. We'll sign your transfer of undertaking.
Mm.
Ano na ang
Mm. Mm.
mangyayari dun sa ako yung employer mo, binayaran kita ng
Yeah.
almost 3,000 euro, bigla mo
Yeah.
akong aalisan. I-times
Mm.
100 mo
Yes.
yung 3,000 euro. Magkano
Oh
yan, bro?
man. Yeah.
300,000.
That's a lot.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's a lot of
Yeah.
money for the
Yeah.
employers. So,
Yes.
um, fortunately, bro, our employers that will go to Manila this May 5 to 9,
Mm.
they will pay for the RCSI fees,
Mm.
okay? Given that
Mm.
you will stay for the 2 years na critical skills work
Mm.
permit
Mm.
mo. If you
Mm.
break that, then charges will incur depending on how
Oo.
long you
Yes.
stay. Now, that
Yeah.
is within the legal rights of the employer. Because,
Mm.
katulad nga sinabi ko, it is not an entitlement for the employer to pay for your exam because that is
Yeah.
your license.
Yes.
And you
Yeah.
and like for example, sa America, pupunta ka na America, the employers never pay for your CGFNS and NCLEX. You pay for it yourself, 'di ba?
Mm.
'Di ba?
Yes.
The only way
Tama.
is it's just a drawing, parang dinadraw nila yung attention mo. Sige, bayaran namin, dito ka pumunta. Parang pang-convince nila yun eh. Pero legally
Yes. Tama.
speaking, we do not need to pay for it. Okay?
Mm. Okay. Just yeah, yun nga, tama, just to clarify, tama
Mm.
naman yun. Kasi para ano, marami silang, katanungan na hindi nila alam kung saan magtatanong. At least ngayon guys na naririnig niyo na
Yeah.
rito, sa Buhay Ireland kasama natin si Brian at ang Bisaka Resolution. Sa mga ano bro, sa mga pupunta diyan sa May 5 to May 9 on face to face as you said, do they need to bring any documents to support them or
No,
ano
no,
bang ano?
actually, see, the only thing that they need to bring is yung tibay at loob. Tibay ng ano? Paano ba?
Tama, tama yan. Kailangan mo talaga marami.
Your
Well,
motivation.
Oo, motivation actually, maraming dasal, motivation, and ano ba, well, be themselves kumbaga, 'di
Yes, yes,
ba?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yun
Because
eh.
before they even go there, we've already pre-screened your
Mm,
documents. Eh. So there's no need for
hmm,
you to bring in the whole your entire cabinet of
mm.
certificates.
Oo,
That will come afterwards na pumasa ka sa
mm,
interview kasi our compliance team from India
mm,
will be
mm.
emailing you. Now,
Yes.
guys, para doon sa mga viewers and doon sa mga mag-attend, don't be scared na may mag-email sa inyo na Indian. Alam ko, medyo,
Mm.
alam mo yung mga Pilipino, medyo takot pa sa mga Indian eh. And rightly so,
Yes.
kasi syempre marami din naman, kumbaga, mga scams and everything. Pero
Ah,
if the email states VCS Nursing, then it is a
yeah,
company email, di ba?
yeah.
So yeah, pag nag-ask sila ng compliance document sa inyo, then that's the time na magko-comply kayo. Like certificate of
Mm. Oo,
employments,
yes.
mga ganun.
Kasi 'di ba, sa ano lang, based siguro sa experience ng lahat, 'pag may katulad niyan, may kayo, nag-e-email kayo sa mga applicant niyo, tapos i-email niyo. Sometimes they don't reply, because
They never do.
natatakot sila or there's
Yeah.
something going on na, "Who's this? Maybe fake 'to," or ganyan-ganyan. Totoo 'yun. So,
And you
hindi
know,
nila kumbaga chance mo na 'yun, eh.
there's about 10-15% candidate loss because of that. Ano mo ba yun?
Yeah, oh my God, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Opportunity.
so
Wa
450 na nadala ko dito over 10 years. 10% non, about 40 nurses have lost their chance to come here just because they don't answer the email.
Yeah,
Okay?
so you have to, 'di ba? They have to check their email all the time
Mm.
kasi you know that you apply. So you expect something na ito may email sa not today, not tomorrow, maybe in a week. Pero don't ignore it.
Yes.
This is your chance. Baka ito na yung once in a lifetime mo na
minsan
you
kasi
you fail,
minsan kasi
'di
nasa
ba?
send to all nila eh. Tapos
Yeah.
nagtataka sila, ano na to nag-reply, sino na to nag-reply.
'Di ba? So, hindi minsan nakakalimutan din kasi ng mga applicant, nag-apply pala ako sa ganito.
That's
So
true,
you
that's
have to
true.
be
Mm.
aware sa mga nangyayari. About ito may mga nagtatanong din sa'tin Bri, maybe you can answer this as well. Cross country, do you want to apply for that job but they're not in the Philippines, they're in Middle East or in a different world. So can do they apply or paano ba?
Well, that's a great question. Again, grabe mo questions mo, napakaganda.
Sorry bro, general lang yung sinabi ko
No,
pero
no,
hindi,
actually, it
yung mga
is.
ano lang 'to, tanong ng
Um,
iba.
and it will teach a lot of the people in the industry.
Mm, mm,
Hindi ako madamot when it comes to my wisdom
mm.
no sa experience ko
Yeah.
sa field na to no. It
Mm,
is the easier candidate to recruit.
mm,
The easiest candidates to recruit is the Filipino and Indian candidates that are based.
mm,
No, the
mm.
Filipino. Correct me. The Filipino candidates that are based outside the Philippines.
Yes.
The reason being is we don't need to liaise with a POA registered agency anymore.
Mm, mm,
Okay, we can
mm,
only operate our own license, 'di ba?
mm, mm,
Kasi
mm.
like for example, there is no risk for the candidates na mascam eh. You know why? Because the work permits and the visas are government issued
Mm.
certifications. It's not
Yes.
issued by us. It's issued by the
Mm,
government. Now, the
mm,
government doesn't
mm.
issue that without background checking the employer. Alam mo
Yeah.
'yan, may mga requirements sila. So,
Mm.
um it's cheaper for the employer to hire Filipinos
Yes.
outside
Mm,
the
mm.
Philippines.
Yes.
Um it's about 800 euros cheaper. Okay?
Mm. Okay.
It's faster na ma-deploy
Yes.
sila. They'll save about 2
Yes.
months sa processing.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Mm,
The only caveat is grabe ang competition. Kasi
mm.
as you know, Middle Eastern nurses, grabe na yung experience nila.
Yes,
Ibig
tama.
sabihin, well experienced na sila. If you don't give
Mm.
them their due package, you're not gonna get them.
Yeah.
And alam mo yun, that is how competitive the business is, to be honest.
Mm. So ang bottom line, can they apply? Let's say I'm here in Middle East in Dubai and I want to I see this job offer na pinopost nyo. Can they apply even though they're not in the Philippines? Kasi mas advantage na yun sa kanila.
Mm.
Can they apply? Yeah.
The answer is no. I-
Okay, kasi okay,
the,
kahit
on,
nandito ka
the
sa
only reason
Europe or
is,
whatever.
um, except if uuwi sila ng Philippines.
Yes, actually yun din yung iniisip
Yeah,
ko, okey, tama.
kasi ang employer is their requirement is a face-to-face approach
Mm,
on
mm.
their interviews. And alam mo, Bro Jerome, believe ako sa kanila eh.
Yeah.
That is the best way to hire a person because
Mm,
sometimes yung CV doesn't reflect yung personality
mm.
ng tao.
Tama,
Minsan
tama.
sobrang daming experience ng nurse and then
Mm.
sobrang taas na ng tingin niya sa sarili niya.
Yeah.
Iba na yung personality niya. So pagdating sa
Mm.
interview, nakikita nila yan eh. They are
Yeah,
HR
tama.
professionals. They are
Mm,
trained to psychologically
mm,
assess the candidate,
mm.
'di ba?
Tama,
And
oo.
iba talaga yung face to face as compared to the
Mm,
online interviews. So they are
mm,
opting for face to face. However, there's always an exception to the rule, Bro
mm,
Jerome. Okay,
mm.
there are
Yes.
employers that
Mm,
don't have the capacity nor the number to hire sa
mm,
Philippines. Okay? Like for
mm,
example, bigyan lang kita ng isang example. May maliit na nursing home sa Kinsale. I don't wanna mention the name.
mm,
Pero there are
ganun.
only a handful of nursing homes in Kinsale, County Cork.
Mm,
Okay?
mm,
They only own one nursing home.
mm,
So they don't wanna go through the hoo-ha of registering sa DMV, alam mo yun, all
mm,
the
mm,
rigorous process to only hire three people. So,
mm,
what we normally do is we just give them nurses na, alam mo yun, galing outside the Philippines.
hmm. Ay,
So, yun.
okey. That's yeah, that's good point. At least alam na ng mga tao kasi, as I said, maraming nagtatanong sa'kin sa Buo Ireland and, I cannot answer you guys because, sometimes you have to think kasi kaya nga sila nagha-hire sa Pilipinas kasi there's a reason all
Mm.
behind it. But siyempre, if there's a chance siyempre na may open dito na nursing home or hospital na they can direct hire from different places, then why go ahead, you know? Kasi yun ang sinabi nila. But there's a lot of screening and face-to-face nga sa Philippines. So you have to go with that. Umuwi kayo, then try nyo doon. You know, like magbakasyon kayo. Huwag kayong mag-quit sa job. Let's say nasa Dubai kayo. Huwag kayong mag-quit. Umuwi kayo ng Pilipinas, go for the May 5 to May 9, and then try your best. And then if they will email you, and then go and proceed for that
Totoo, totoo.
requirements and stuff.
Oo.
And then if you are hired in Ireland, then mag-quit na kayo sa Dubai. Uwi kayo ng Pilipinas, and then di ba? For me,
Actually,
that's the
Bro
only
Jerome, there's a big trend, no? There's a big trend of
oh,
parang reversal ng 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 reversal ngayon. If
oo.
mapapansin mo, yung mga UK nurses natin, kasi
Mm.
I'm a member of their group as well eh. And
Oo.
galing din ako ng UK if hindi mo matatanong.
Oo.
I spent 5 years there. Um,
Mm.
yung mga British citizen na kasi
Yeah.
considered tier 1 passport sila eh.
Yes.
So, just to pay off their mortgages, they do career
Yeah.
leave, 1 year, two
Yes.
years, and then go back to the Middle East,
Yeah.
work tax free, and then come back here
Yeah.
to pay off their mortgages. So,
Oo, gawain ng mga ano yun, ano, totoo yan, naririnig ko na rin yan.
yeah.
Oo,
So,
'di ba? Tama, 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 okey. So ano, bro, what is the biggest challenge ng mga applicant so far na alam mo, they should prepare more likely?
biggest challenge is them trying to convince them to take the English exams, no, bro. Parang a
Hmm,
lot of people are parang na-overwhelm sila sa English exams eh. So,
okey.
parang it's a big hurdle for them to pass the
Mm,
English exams. And
okey.
doon sa
Mm,
number of applicants namin, sa CVs, sa bank namin, about 70% of the applicants are category 3, meaning wala talaga silang
okey.
hawak na English
Wala,
exams, wala lahat.
mm,
And kung babasahin mo yung CV nila, bro, ang ganda. Para
mm.
ako nagbabasa ng, alam mo yun, yung
Oo,
magazine, car magazine, parang wow, ang ganda ng
sobrang
CV,
ganda
ang
'no,
ganda. Pero
malinis,
walang
oo.
English exam, di ba?
Ayun
So
lang.
nakaka-heartbreak eh. And then some of
Oo.
them will resort to mag-a-apply na lang po ako ng healthcare assistant. I have had,
Yeah.
like, for example,
Yeah.
last year alone, we've been
Yes.
able to hire 83 healthcare assistants eh.
Yeah. Yes.
And most of them are nurses, registered nurses.
Mm.
Alam mo yun?
Mm.
Pero unfortunately, it will derail your nursing career if you do that eh. 'Di ba?
Mm.
So
Mm.
I would
Tama,
suggest
tama.
guys, the greatest hurdle is just to face the greatest hurdle, which is English
Yeah.
exams. Law of
Tama. It
probability dictates na out of the 10 English exams, you would pass one,
yeah,
'di ba?
true. Actually, ito kasi yung ano, nagiging problem ng iba na, oh yeah, you're registered nurse, but what coming here you have to take the exam for like English, and then there's the time na nagfe-fail sila. Kahit paulit-ulit naman siguro puwede naman. Just,
Yeah.
convince yourself, try your best, have more confidence and stuff like that. And
Mm.
then who knows, we'll see you in Ireland. Total nasabi mo yung healthcare, healthcare tuloy, healthcare assistant. Why, there's no is there any healthcare assistant job offer in the future for in Vista, or there's none at the moment? Ano bang issue, ano bang ano?
Okay, maraming issue dyan sa healthcare system, no?
Maraming
And I
issue.
don't want to mention
Hmm,
names and
mm, mm,
agencies and stuff. So, guys, from me, galing na sa akin mismo,
mm,
there are no openings for healthcare assistants for us at the
mm,
moment,
mm,
unfortunately. Both coming from
mm,
uh, outside the Philippines and especially in the Philippines kasi yung cost
mm.
of recruitment mas mataas.
Yes.
And please be careful sa mga nag-o-offer sa inyo dyan na alam mo yun,
Mm.
ipipila kayo and everything for a fee and
Yes.
everything. So please, please, um,
Mm.
if it's too good to be true, then don't go for it.
Yeah,
If it's costing
tama.
you more than 100,000, 200, 300, sometimes 350,000,
Mm.
please don't fall for that trap. I know heartbreaking yung sinasabi ko, pero that is the truth
Yeah,
eh.
true,
I
tama.
can't I can't give you promises na I cannot fulfill. Kaya kasi sabi ko
Mm.
I don't wanna make promises eh, kasi we'll try our
Mm.
best, 'di ba? We'll try our best.
Yes,
If there
tama.
is an
Yeah.
opening, like for example, 3 weeks ago there was an opening for healthcare assistant, bro.
Mm.
2 or 3
Mm.
places lang. Pero within a
Yeah.
couple of days, tapo, um, na fill in na.
Mm.
And then grabe yung
Yeah, mabilis.
competition, 'di ba? So
Yeah, totoo yun.
my advice would be, if we have, I will post it on the page.
Yes, yeah, you will see it naman,
Okay.
oo.
So we have i-plug in ko na yung mga pages ko. No, I have two
Yeah.
pages, guys. Filipino Nurses in Ireland, which is the biggest and most pure professional
Mm.
group page
Mm.
in Ireland for nurses and healthcare
Mm.
workers. And yung other one, which is growing as well, 20,000 na siya. Filipino
Mm.
workers in
Congrats.
Ireland naman for
Mm.
other professionals.
Mm.
So if I post it there, then by all means, please apply for it. Pero please be
Yes.
careful dun sa mga tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng false promises. Kasi it's
Oo.
heartbreaking na nagsusumbong sila sa akin na, look,
Yeah.
nagbayad kami ng ganito, nagbayad kami ng ganito, hanggang 2 years na wala pa rin. So I cannot help you
Mm.
guys kasi
Mm.
um, I just can't. The laws doesn't apply to your place where I'm at, 'di ba? It
Yes.
cannot cross
Oo.
country eh. So,
Oo.
alam mo 'yan,
Totoo yun.
marami
Well,
nagpo-post sa page ko rin,
yeah. Yeah, and
nagsusumbong
then,
and
sabihin
everything.
ko lang kasi,
Mm,
yeah, total nasabi mo na yung ano, yung page mo, dalawang page yan,
mm.
which is very, informative yung page ni Boss Brian. And how can you handle all of it with all with the pages, being the nurse consultant, being a family dad, like
Actually,
how do
nandito
you
nga sila
do all of
naglalaro
this,
eh.
man?
Ayun.
'Di ba? Like ganyan, nagbabantay ka pa pala. So how do you, tackle all of this? How do you, times consuming
Y-
to eh.
you know what?
How do you
When
deal
when
with it?
when I'm tired, bro, no. Pag
Na,
pag tired ako, I just think of people that inspires me, and one of them is you.
okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kasi
Oo.
if you kasi you're working full time as well, and
Yes,
you're
tama.
editing videos, having all of
Yes.
this energy to
Wow, yeah.
to
Yeah.
talk to people and communicate and show
Yeah.
people and everything. You're growing your
Mm.
channel. So if you have the
Yeah.
energy, wala parang sino ba ako
Yes.
para hindi magkaroon ng ganun din energy. So
Oo.
I always think positively
Oo.
and look at
Oo.
other people. Like for example, you featured
Yeah,
Ryan
yeah,
Loomer
yeah. The
and Dean.
pillow. Yeah.
They're very good friends of mine. Shout out kay
Yeah.
Ryan.
Yun, shoutout sa inyo
Um,
guys, pillow.
Philo Aesthetics, Mayumi,
Yes.
and
Yes.
yung businesses
All
nila
their
sa Cork.
businesses.
Yeah, Sensei Coffee Shop.
Yes. Yes.
So, whenever I feel down with my energy,
Mm.
I always try to talk to them.
Yun.
Kasi
Ay, nice advice actually.
5 minutes of their time, bro,
Yes.
will power you for 1 month. I believe,
Wow. That's true. That people that some people doesn't know this. Talking to these kind of people na, mindset nila is very positive.
yeah,
It really makes a lot of difference for
yeah.
us. That's
Yeah.
where actually yung tanong ko dapat Ayun pala actually ba't tinatanong ko yun din yung sagot sa tanong ko, eh. Bakit ko ginagawa 'tong ano, ang
Yeah.
podcast? Actually guys, kagagaling ko lang sa Belfast, which is we interview, the Salad Master Exquisite, Eagle, which is, kay Ma'am, Dulce and Sir, Rhett. So shoutout din sa inyo. And then coming from Belfast, pinasyal ko family ko, buko rito sa podcast namin dahil si Brian naman yung susunod. Like inspiration guys, ito yung sinasabi namin na hindi lang ako ang nag-i-inspire. May mga tao katulad ni Brian na na-inspire din ako kasi they're doing their best. Like not
Yeah.
only one job, not only being a nurse consultant, not being only a nurse, a family, a father, and then community niya. Like we do all of this. It's not easy, Brian, right? It's not
No, no,
easy.
no.
Kala lang nila gano'n lang tayo na pupunta ng video-video lang or sulat-sulat lang. No, guys, having a community, especially nakakatulong tayo sa mga katulad nating mga nurses and sa healthcare sector, it gives us more, power na tulungan pa.
Mm.
Hindi kami susuko until hindi naman namin na kaya lahat kayo papuntahin dito, pero gagawin namin lahat na makakaya namin to support you guys, to give you a chance din na kung anong meron kami dito, we're giving you the chance and privilege na may open door na puwede niyong ano, puntahan. And then, being, with this kind of, people, as I said, Brian, there's a lot of information right now that
Mm.
he gave us. So, sa mga pupunta sa May 5 actually, you know what to do now. That's
Mm.
why we have this podcast. And then today, panoorin niyo 'to paulit-ulit kung gusto niyo kasi you will learn a lot of things, giving you more confidence and giving you the strength to go there face to face kung pupunta na kayo sa interview sa May 5 or wherever until
Yeah.
May 9. Go ahead, 'di ba, Bri?
Yeah.
All means, pwede niyo kami
Yeah.
kausapin, pwede niyo
Sabi nga
kausapin si
nila
Brian, magiging busy siya ulit.
sabi nga nila before an interview daw, give yourself
Oo.
a half bottle of beer. Dati yan one bottle of beer, pero
Oo,
half
oo.
bottle of beer pang tanggal ng inhibition mo. So
Yeah. Paano yung mga taong very tolerant lang, very lasing na kaagad kahit wala pang half of beer? Paano yun?
prayer. Pray na lang.
Prayer na lang, guys. Prayer na lang. Pero yeah, I'm so lucky to have Brian and I think he already covered most of kasi ayokong bigay yung i-spoil yung lahat kasi there's a lot of things going on pa dun sa Actually, Brian is, as I said before we start, busy pa siya, hinihiwalay niya pa, binabalasan niya pa lahat ng mga tao kasi manggagaling sa kanya pre-screening. So ayoko rin naman i-take yung a lot of times of
No,
him kasi ito na yung time niya sa
I
family.
actually appreciate it. At least the people will
Mm.
get to see what we do, both of us.
Mm.
And lahat
Yes.
ng mga content creators dyan, like for example, sila
Mm.
Boyet. I
Mm.
do love positive people na
Mm.
nagko-content create. Not only,
Mm.
and yun yung mga shoutout ko sa mga vloggers. Ang daming vloggers na nagpo-post sa pages ko. And kung mapapansin
Yes.
mo, delete ko most of them, no? I
Yeah.
only approve yung mga
Mm.
vloggers na, like for example here, you're
Mm.
you're doing what you love.
Yes.
Wala naman tayo dito kung hindi natin mahal yung ginagawa natin eh. You and me.
Tama.
Pero
Yes.
and at the same time, you're helping other people eh. So,
Mm.
doon sa mga vloggers na I support you guys and
Mm.
I want your pages to grow. Alam mo 'yan kasi at
Yeah.
least mutually beneficial 'yan sa ating lahat eh. Pero
Yes.
I would suggest na make it informative, no? Not only
Mm.
featuring you but at least helping other
Yeah.
people as well. So,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
promise
Tama.
na alam mo 'yun, i-approve ko yung
Yeah.
mga videos
Post na
nyo
yan.
if
Yes.
may positive content, hindi yung parang
Oo.
pasikat lang.
So, i-approve na 'to ni Boss Brian. 'Di pa kami tapos pero approve niyo na 'to, gano'n ba?
Yes, of course.
Hindi, like, not only that 'no, siyempre may mga page din naman ako na sinasalihan na
Oo.
iba. Pero yun din, yung information kasi na puwede natin maibigay sa kanila. Kasi there's a lot of question, Brian,
Mm.
and you're the solution for all that question.
Hindi
Kumbaga yun
naman.
yung ating well, hindi lang ikaw, ako rin siyempre. Ako binibigay ko na yung 101% ko rin na tutulungan na namin kayo, kumbaga ihahain na namin sa inyo yung
Yes,
pagkain.
yes.
Ngayon na lang, wala na kayong gagawin, kakainin niyo na lang, parang gano'n.
I wanna tell
It's
you,
not
bro,
about
yung yung
mm,
where this motivation
mm,
comes from, no?
mm.
Back when we were in the UK, about
Yes.
16, 17 years ago,
Mm,
um, ewan ko if it comes from our old mentality ba na crab mentality na
yeah.
alam mo yun, if may baguhan,
Yeah.
papahirapan mo or hindi mo ibibigay yung mga solusyon and everything. So,
Yeah.
parang I was kind of sad kasi I'm a very positive person talaga
Yeah.
naturally. So, parang
Mm. Mm.
libre lang naman mag-advise, bro eh, 'di ba?
Tama, tama,
'Di ba?
tama.
So,
Sobra.
instead na i-scroll ko diyan, pag may nakita akong tanong na may alam akong sagot, sagutin ko
Yeah,
na, 'di ba?
sagutin mo,
So,
oo.
instead na mindless scrolling ka,
Yeah,
positive pa rin yung downtime mo, 'di ba? So,
oo.
parang
Oo.
it stems from that mentality na alam mo yun, bayanihan tayo kasi
Yeah,
hindi naman ako maghihirap. Actually, ikayayaman ko pa yung success nyo eh.
yeah.
'Di ba?
Hindi, ito lang, siguro isingin ko lang din kasi sa mga tao kasi, siguro sasabihin nila, you're just gusto niyo lang makilala. Sa atin,
Mm,
ganito tayo, ito yung mga tao na behind.
mm,
Gusto niyo lang makilala, nagbibideo-video pa kayo. Guys, hindi po kami for fame.
mm,
Kami, kaya naman namin na mabuhay kahit wala 'to, eh.
mm.
It's not about us, it's about you, we're helping you.
That's true.
Yun yung namin, ang ginagawa namin ni Brian dito. Just lang, to disclaimer lang. Baka sabihin nyo kasi artista kami. No, 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 no.
No.
We are helping. That's all we were doing here. We're doing a podcast because we want you to hear all these things,
Secrets, mga
sa ating para sa
tips.
mga kababayan natin. Oo, di ba? Yun lang naman tayo. And then, yeah, Bri, any last message sa mga aplikante at sa mga nurses na nandito? Ano ba ang pwede mong ipayo sa kanila kahit na matagal na sila nagtatrabaho? Ano bang small tip pwede mong ibigay?
Sige, umpisa natin sa mga candidates, okay? So at least
Yes.
yung approach natin from Philippines until to Ireland.
Mm.
Yes. So from the candidates from the Philippines and outside the Philippines, please fix your CVs.
Mm.
Highlight all of your experiences. Alam mo yan, highlight
Mm.
all the skills
Mm.
that you can include on the CV. Don't make it a one-page CV. It doesn't work here
Mm.
in Ireland and in Europe.
Mm.
They would love to see what you can do and what you have done in your many years as a nurse. Okay,
Mm.
so when
Mm.
you apply, make sure that all of your experiences, your skills, and what complex cases you've handled are
Mm.
featured dun sa CV ninyo. And number two, um, please wag nyo na isama na call center ka sa Pilipinas. Kasi waste of time para sa
Talaga?
amin. Oh my God, talaga. As
Oo.
in,
Okay.
nagtatagal ng 2 weeks yung... Kasi syempre, babalik namin
Ah,
sa'yo, babalik sa amin, babalik na
yes.
naman sa'yo, babalik sa amin, di ba? Yung
Mm.
time
Mm.
before namin ma-forward sa compliance team yung CV, it's wasting a lot of our time. Minsan, pag wala na kaming time, we'll just scrap your CV kasi ang dami, di ba?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So, those are my tips para sa mga candidates. And then, dun sa mga
Mm.
wala pang English exams, please take your English exams.
Mm.
It will grant you access to a lot of Western countries, namely Ireland,
Mm.
UK, Canada, the US,
Yeah.
Australia, New Zealand, you know.
Mm.
It doesn't matter if 25 years na kayo dyan sa Middle East, your file
Mm.
won't move until wala kang English exams. Okay?
Yes.
For
Mm.
those naman na bagong dating dito sa Ireland, don't forget, tap send yung group sponsor ko.
Papi.
Yes, code TAPI. Alam mo yun, I don't want to take money from you. Nagbibigay pa po kami ng money. 15 euro
Mm.
para sa lahat ng users. So, yun yung first
Ayun.
advice ko. Number two, keep update, keep on the loop dun sa page natin. No, it's not only for us;
Mm.
it's for you as
Mm.
well. You can also give
Mm.
back to the community by just replying
Yeah.
to the questions. No, bro. A lot of people
Yeah.
are like, oh, siya lang naman yung ano. No, you
Mm.
have all the rights to reply. Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
katulad nung ngayon, may nag-organize ng badminton. I made him like the chat host. Ikaw na sa badminton kasi wala na akong time mag-organize.
Wag mo bigay kay Brian lahat 'yan. Marami naman kayo, may
'Di ba?
mga expertise naman lahat bawat
So,
isa, eh.
maraming candidates kasi, bro. Maraming nurses dito na dumating, oh, malungkot pala dito, nade-depress ako.
Mm.
It's what they call seasonal affective disorder, 'di ba? Yung SADS during
Yeah.
winter time. So, in order for
Yes.
you guys to beat that, just be active with the community. Alam mo yun, go out,
Yeah.
alam mo yun,
Yeah.
interact with us, build the
Yes.
community, use the community at your advantage. That's why
Yes.
that's why I built it for us,
Yeah.
yung buong komunidad,
Yes.
'di ba?
Yes. Tama.
So yun, that's my advice for the newly na dumating dito. Yun naman mga 2 years
Mm.
na, don't forget, uh, stamp 4, it will allow you to apply everywhere, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And then doon
Tama.
naman sa mga malapit na mag-citizen, go travel pag may passport ka na.
Mm.
So yun
Tama.
lang naman, na advice ko
Tama.
all
Oo.
throughout.
Tama. Hindi, it's a good advice actually.
Oo,
It's a lot there's a lot of things that we probably ano, eh, may mga question pa dito pero I
oo.
think we already at least
Oo nga, overtime
tackle
na.
all the questions. Hindi,
Oo.
okay lang naman. It's just like there's a lot of things that we can tackle. But as I said, we are open here in Boy Ireland or kay Brian sa kanya Filipino Nurse Ireland. You can contact him there. Siguro wag na lang niyo kontakin si Brian straight away kasi ang dami
No, no,
ng
no.
siguro
Actually, bro,
message.
um, that's the other way around. If I have the time,
Really?
I also
Mm.
I personally reply talaga.
Talaga? Gusto mo
Yes.
yun direct
Kasi
sa'yo?
minsan ano eh, I find it exciting na
Okay.
nakakakilala ng bagong tao. And my
Bago
mom,
friends,
God
yeah.
bless her soul, matagal na siyang
Yeah.
nag-pass away. My
Mm.
mom taught me na, acquaintances and people na you get to know, they can be assets to you, eh,
Yeah,
'di
that's
ba?
true.
And you can be assets
Yes.
to them. Like for example, ikaw,
Mm.
kunyari, Jerome, meron akong slot dito ng healthcare assistant, 'di ba? Mga ganoon, 'di ba?
Yeah, true.
Or pag ako may tanong ko sa Jerome, paano ba yung ganito, 'di ba? You can be assets
Yeah.
to each other, eh. So don't
Tama,
don't
oo.
burn the bridges. Keep on collecting them kasi
Collecting.
in the future, you never know, bro. You never know.
Yes, tama, tama. Good advice yun. Actually, gano'n din naman ako. Hindi naman ako hindi ako madamo. Nagre-reply din naman ako sa mga question
Mm.
ng mga tao. Direct pa nga yung iba, eh. Kahit
Mm.
hindi na sa Buor Island, sa'kin na nagdi-direct. Pero yeah, pero sige, keep going lang and then keep praying and hopefully sa mga candidate na they will apply in May 5 to 9, um, be ready, bring more, ano ba, confidence,
Confidence,
bring
yeah.
more,
English.
mag-pray kayo na mag-pray. Before, ngayon pa lang, mag-pray na kayo. Then ano ba ba, be yourself. As I said, be yourself. Wala namang tutulong sa inyo kundi sarili niyo lang, eh. You have to
Tama.
learn and you keep studying, guys. Lalo sa pag
Mm.
English exam. Yeah, it's really bothering me because I heard a lot of it na English na naman bumagsak na. Pero no, you
Yes.
can do it. You can do it, guys. Trust yourself na magiging ano to, may time para sa inyo na makalipad
Oh,
dito
here's my
sa
daughter.
Ireland.
Oh, dinala niya tayo na.
Oh,
Say hi.
hello. Hi. So, your daughter, kasama ba ang daughter mo sa sa mga pre-screening din ba? Wala. Ikaw lang.
Actually, binibigyan ko siya ng role minsan kasi syempre,
Oo.
bakasyon ngayon eh. She's on her fifth year.
Admin. Mag-admin siya. Admin sa ano mo,
Um,
sa Facebook.
ewan ko.
'Di ba?
Di pa.
Ikaw lang talaga.
Di pa for now. Siguro, kasi gusto din niya mag-nurse eh. So, eventually,
Okay,
she might
that's
take
good.
over pag matanda na tayo.
Mag-retire ka na, Bri. Mag-retire ka na. Siya na bahala. Ganun ba?
No, this
'Di
is
ba?
a project of love for me, Bro Jerome. Eh.
Ah,
The
that's
page
good.
has
Yeah.
been part of my life here in Ireland for as long as I'm here. Kasi tinayo ko
Yes.
yung page 1 or 2
Yeah.
months before pagdating ko eh. Kasi I didn't know anyone eh.
Yeah.
So, and I find it daunting para sa akin na bago dating na, alam mo yun, hindi ko
Mm.
kilala, wala pa masyadong social media back then, alam mo
Yeah.
yun, medyo
Yeah.
yung mga tao, iwas, di ba?
Tama.
So, I told myself, look, if if I don't know anyone, I'll just create a
Mhm.
platform for them
Tama,
to
'di ba?
know everyone. Parang, so,
Free naman, 'di ba? Free ang
mm,
Facebook.
yeah.
Pinakamadali na nga 'to, dati wala naman tayong Facebook. It's just
Yes,
so hard to
bro.
know people.
Alam mo, napaka valuable ng information na binibigay mo sa mga viewers mo. So,
Salamat, salamat.
and
Sana
I think
nakakatulong talaga kami.
I thank you for, alam mo yun, nung
Oh,
nakita
thank
kita,
you.
sabi ko,
No,
wow, grabe energy niya.
hindi
Nakaka-inspire.
talagang, we really want this, podcast actually. Matagal ko na rin, it's just like there's a lot of things going on. Actually, may puwede pa nga hindi matuloy 'to kung kung talaga. Pero anyways, yeah, thank you so much, Brian. Thank you for your, time na you given in our podcast.
Mm.
And hindi lang 'to yung huli, siyempre marami pa tayong pag-uusapan, Brian, and there will be more likely siguro after nung 'pag dumating na yung mga candidate na nakapasa, then we'll talk
Yeah,
to Brian
we
again
can
and then
actually, if you want, we can bring in yung mga candidates na bagong dating kasi we
ayun,
hired
'yan.
we had two recruitment drives last year, okay?
Mm.
And yung mga ni-recruit namin noong July of last year, same
Mm.
employer, same
Mm.
agency. Nandito na sila,
Mm.
kaka-RGN lang nila. So,
Nice. Congrats. Yeah. We can do that. We can talk about it
yeah.
behind the camera.
Mm.
And yeah, we love to know and talk to them and to you guys yung achievement nyo na na nabibigay yung tulong sa ating mga kababayan and there will be more. Okay? Yeah, siguro Brian, last lang yung announce mo na ulit yung coming May 5 to 9,
Yeah.
all the information.
Thank you, Jerome. So guys, para dun sa sa mga nanonood at manonood pa, there will be a face-to-face interview with one, if not second largest private healthcare employer in Ireland, May 5 to 9. Okay.
Mm.
They're a shareholder. One little secret is they're one of the shareholders of Mater Private Hospital, which
Mm.
is one of the biggest private hospitals
The
in the Philippines.
biggest. Mm.
So that's the employer group na ganun kalaki ang pupunta
Mm.
sa Pilipinas, no? So May
Mm.
5 to 9, we're only missing 6 CVs. So
Mm.
if you're one of the 6, then
Mm.
this might be your chance. So please send in your email, send in your CV sa manila at
Mm.
bcsnursing.com.
Mm.
Our staff Christopher will be reaching out to you, and then from there
Mm.
we'll communicate with you through email. And
Mm.
for the other viewers as well, we have a social media page, groups as well, which is
Mm.
Filipino workers in Ireland. Okay,
Mm.
Filipino workers in Ireland, and for nurses, Filipino nurses in Ireland. You can follow that
Mm.
and then know the information from there. It's an open group,
Mm.
so anyone can join.
Mm. Ayun, maraming maraming salamat, Brian. And guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, very informative tong si Brian, and marami kang matututunan dito, and I did talk to him before, and marami akong natutunan, and I'm so thankful na naging kaibigan ko siya rito, hindi lang dahil sa podcast, which is alam naman natin na lahat dito is kaibigan natin as
Yes,
a guest
kaibigan
and
kita,
whatever.
Jerome. Kahit di pa tayo nagkikita, I consider
Kaya
you a
kaya
good
nga
friend.
actually. Yeah, actually at I want to thank Leandro. Actually, kung di dahil kay Leandro, kay Boss Leandro, hindi kami magkakilala ni Brian. Siya nagsabi sa akin kay Brian, bro, meron dito. Siya rin nagpapunta actually.
Ako rin,
Si
yes.
Brian din nagpapunta rito sa
Actually,
Ireland, actually
sila Lumor
gumawa.
din sa
Oo,
atin din.
yun. Marami natulungan si
Marami,
Brian.
marami.
Guys, dito fake. Legit si Brian. Hindi siya scammer.
Actually, there's a
Yan
lot
ang
of
sabihin ko sa
people,
inyo.
no, na we've had through the years, directors of nursing na, assistant directors of
Ah,
nursing, and
no,
I
yes.
so
May
feel
business
blessed.
pa, hindi ba?
May
Oo,
business
oo,
pa.
tama.
I'm
Oo,
blessed
'di
na,
ba?
alam mo yun, at some point of
Mm.
their life, dumaan tayo sa kanila. So,
Oo,
yun pa
pero 'di ba
lang,
ang sarap,
blessing na, di ba?
oo, ang sarap ng feeling na lahat ng mga tinulungan mo before ngayon mga successful,
Yes. Kumbaga,
tao na.
sa Maslow's hierarchy of needs, malapit na ako sa self-actualization.
Sila successful, kami hindi pa rin successful. Hindi,
Self-actualized
successful
na.
kami actually.
Malapit na ako sa self-actualized. So,
Yeah. Magre-retire na po kami in the age of what?
no, pero guys,
Hindi ano,
before tayo mag-end pala, I would like to thank you. Kasi
oh,
a lot
thank
of
you.
people, hindi na-appreciate yung ginagawa mo. I want to thank Jerome,
Thank you.
Pinoy Ireland,
Boy
Buhay,
Island, yeah.
Buhay Ireland. Please follow
Mm.
him. Alam mo yun, palaguin po natin yung views
Mm.
niya and everything. He's very, very good,
Mm.
very
Mm.
informative, and very humble as well. And these
Yeah.
people are the ones na, alam mo yun, makaka-apekto
Mm.
positively sa buhay natin. So please,
Mm.
support my friend Jerome.
Sana nga. Thank you so much, Brian, for that kind word. And hopefully nga, maraming natututunan kasi minsan kasi parang joke-joke na lang iba sa amin. Hindi, pero yung our mission is same pa rin naman. Kahit
Yeah.
nakikita kami pa joke-joke, pero we highlights more or Filipino OFW kababayan, lalo yung mga bago din. At yung luma rin, syempre. At yung
Mm.
mga inspiring stories na katulad dito. And we are really here. We don't care kung sino ka.
Kaya
Kahit
nga.
matagal ka na o luma ka, we don't really care. We want to hear
Kaya
your
nga, invite
story.
mo ako minsan. Pag may
Oh,
mga
ay,
ano tayo.
na-invite na nga kita eh. Ano ba, i-invite pa, i-invite pa kita ulit. And actually, we will have a discussion later on with Brian kasi face to face kami.
Kaya
Kasi
nga.
ako siya interviewin ko this time sa face to face. Hindi dapat sa work, of course. Hindi dapat sa work. Pero yeah, maraming salamat, Brian,
Oo nga.
sa time na binigay mo, and
Thank you.
hopefully I see you soon na face-to-face tayo,
Mm.
and there will be more podcasts like this na pag-uusapan namin ni Brian sa mga bagong dating din syempre na mga nurse na sinabi niya kanina. And I just want to actually I just want to thank actually before I say anything or my end part, do you want to shout out anybody that you know or you want?
Just my family, Cindy,
Okay,
Ethan,
family.
Jen,
Mm-hmm.
my bigger family, which is Filipino Nurses Ireland and
Mm-hmm.
Filipino Workers
Mm-hmm.
Ireland,
Okay.
the management, the owner of Vista Career Solutions is a very good friend of mine, Lalo Paul,
Mm-hmm.
from
Mm-hmm.
India. Our
Mm-hmm.
operations director, Alina Hurak,
Mm-hmm.
um, Anu Lona Chan, and my staff in the Philippines, which administrates all of my yung day-to-day administration ko, Christopher, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, yun, my whole team. I have a very good
Oh,
team, and lahat
that's
kami
good.
kind.
Ayun,
Mm.
ayun ang importante. So maraming salamat pala dun. Yeah, as I said, before I end this, I just wanna thank yung sponsors namin dito sa Buhay Ireland and we will not hindi namin kakayanin dito kung hindi dahil sa mga support na mga taon 'to at nagtitiwala at they really trust Buhay Ireland. Unang-una siyempre yung Philo na si ano nga, si Tin at si Boss Ryan. Thank you so much for your, trusting, Buhay Ireland and siyempre yung si Jedi and Kay ba? Casey, sorry, Casey
Casey.
ng Philo, Dublin and Cork. Please visit them, Philo Dublin Cork, and their skincare and laser product. And they have this clinic in both places. Visit them, you will love it. I've been there, and I really like everybody will really gonna love it once you're
They
there. Parang
are the
feeling mo
best
nasa Pilas.
best
Oh, they're the best
aesthetic.
talaga. Oh, one of the best here in Ireland actually and very ano sila modern about technology and stuff. So hindi talaga sila magpapatalo sa mga big
It's not even
competitive
one of the
na
best, the best talaga sila.
the best. Oh, the best talaga. So
Best.
yun, shoutout sa kanila. Thank you so much, Philo. And syempre, wag natin kalimutan si Kuya Omar, bayan ko Ireland na pinakamasipag na Pilipino dito sa sa Ireland and he can do the balikbayan box. He can do cleaning, he can do general things na gusto nyo. Atin sundo and he's selling longganisa, chicharon, yung mga nami-miss na mga Pinoy. So contact him, Bayan Ko Ireland, nasa Facebook natin yan.
Mhm.
And Kabogchi, syempre, sa kanyang tocino, longganisa rin, and yung pinakasikat niyang roasted peanut or mani, ang
Wow.
tawag natin sa
Sarap.
Pinas.
Oh.
So spicy and garlic, guys, if you really want spicy and garlic Filipino taste, Kabogchi, and syempre ang ating, sino ba? And ating, yeah, Mel G and Adrian Production. Yeah, thank you so much for keep supporting Buhay Ireland. Sa mga gusto ng school or like ano ba, nagme-mentor kasi si Mel about singing. So yung mga talented na meron na ngayon ang Ireland, it's because of them. And yung mga pelikula na napapanood natin sa sinehan ng mga Filipino. And who knows, Barrio Fiesta coming soon. Hindi ko na ano basta who knows nga eh. Barrio Fiesta, it might come in Ireland as well.
Hopefully,
So
hopefully, no, bro? Yeah.
yeah, hopefully babalik
Yeah.
natin 'yon yung ganong Barrio Fiesta or
Yeah.
parang Independence Day ng mga Pinoy dito sa Ireland kasi it's been a while na wala.
It's been a while, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, so hopefully we will have that and we will see everybody here in Ireland, all Filipino to support this. And of course, last but not least, ang Salad Master Exquisite Eagle na si Ma'am Dulce at Sir Rhett. Yan, maraming salamat. They are our new partner or sponsor dito sa Buhay Ireland and they are really lovely and very kind people talaga, very down to earth and they treat us as a family. Yun lang talaga masasabi ko. Wala akong masasabi. We enjoy Belfast. We really enjoy the company of them, their hospitality and everything. So guys, Salad Master, if you really need health benefits, kumbaga, and good cookware, ito, masasabi ko talaga ang Salad Master isa sa pinaka the best na pwede nyong makita, mabili at talagang wala akong masasabi. Very ano sila, very informative din sa mga health lifestyle ng mga tao dito sa Ireland and around the world. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat and next podcast, kita-kita tayo ulit sa ating next podcast. Di ko alam kung ano magiging next podcast natin. It could be Brian again. Who knows? Pero yeah, maraming salamat and I hope to see you guys. And sa mga candidates, as I said, good luck. I'll pray for you and sana makarating kayo dito at makasama namin kayo dito sa Buhay Ireland Podcast. Salamat!
Thank you. Thank
Bye!
you.
Thanks to our sponsor, Philo Advanced Skin and Laser Clinic, Mac Mel and Adrian Media Events Productions, Cobb Bog C, Ba Yan Co Ireland, Salad Master,